If you clicked on this video, you are probably interested in learning how to bot comment likes. The good thing about YouTube comments is that they work like Reddit upvotes, where the person with the most comment likes will be at the top of the comment section. But that's enough talking. Let's get into how you can do this for yourself. First, head over to smmglow.com and make an account. Then go to the Ad Funds tab and add a couple dollars to your account. After that, go to the New Order tab and search for YouTube comment likes. I usually use the second comment like service that pops up. Then go to the comment you want to bot likes to and copy the link to the comment. The link to the comment is seemingly hard to find, but it's really just the timestamp of the comment. If you want to check if the link is valid, just paste it in the search bar and hit enter. The comment you copied the link to should be highlighted. Make sure your comment doesn't contain keywords like .com or check out my channel, because YouTube will automatically delete your comment if they suspect it as spam. Now take this link and paste it into smmglow, add the quantity, and hit submit. This service is usually really quick, so it shouldn't take longer than 5 minutes before you see results. As you can see, all the likes have been delivered,